Are you looking for the best blender for your smoothies? Look no further. This compact blender packs a punch. Customers rave about its powerful performance, perfect for crushing ice and frozen fruits. They especially appreciate its size, as it has larger cups than previous models, making it a perfect countertop appliance. Ease of use is a big hit. Customers enjoy its quick operation, ideal for busy mornings. Simply press a button, and you're blending in seconds. Many have transformed their daily routines with this blender for smoothies, protein shakes, and even sauces. Cleaning is a breeze. Users report that it's easy to wash, making it convenient for everyday use. The compact design doesn't take up too much counter space, and the sturdy cups are perfect for on-the-go blending. Let's talk blending quality. Users mention how smoothly this blender mixes everything. Even tough items like frozen fruit and vegetables yield creamy smoothies. Many customers appreciate the blender's ability to make protein shakes effortlessly. Power is another standout feature. Customers have noted the blender's impressive motor, which handles tough ingredients with ease. Just imagine making a delicious smoothie every morning without hassle. Now, noise levels vary among users. While some find it manageable, others feel it can be loud. However, many believe the powerful performance outweighs the sound. If you're after a blender that's compact, powerful, and easy to clean, this one answers the call. Plus, it's ideal for anyone wanting healthy blends fast without the mess. Take the plunge and revolutionize your smoothie experience today. Click the product link in the description to order yours. Plus, enjoy fast delivery across all 50 U.S. states including California, New York, Texas, and Florida. Please like, share, and subscribe to support our channel. Your support inspires us to keep bringing you the best reviews and content every week. We appreciate you being with us.